Getting paid on Bill.com is a straightforward process that involves several key steps. To start, you need to have a Bill.com account and be set up as a vendor with one of your clients who also uses the platform. First, ensure your client has sent you an invitation to connect on Bill.com, and you have accepted this invitation. Once connected, you can begin sending invoices to your client through the platform. To send an invoice, log into your Bill.com account and navigate to the Invoices tab. Click on the New Invoice button and enter the relevant details, including the invoice date, invoice number, and a description of the services provided. You will also need to specify the payment terms and the amount due. After saving the invoice, it will be sent to your client for approval. Your client will review the invoice and approve or reject it. If approved, the invoice will be marked as paid, and the funds will be transferred to your bank account. To receive payments on Bill.com, you need to have a verified bank account linked to your account. To do this, navigate to the Payment Options tab and click on Add a Bank Account. Enter your bank account details, including the routing number and account number, and verify your account by confirming the 2 small deposits made by Bill.com. Once your bank account is verified, you can receive payments from your clients. The payment will be deposited into your bank account on the scheduled payment date. You can track the status of your payments by navigating to the Payments tab, where you can view the payment history and the status of each payment. Best practices for getting paid on Bill.com include regularly reviewing your invoices and payments to ensure accuracy and following up with clients if there are any issues with payment. You should also keep your bank account information up to date to avoid any delays in receiving payments. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily get paid on Bill.com and streamline your invoicing and payment process. This will save you time and help you manage your cash flow more effectively, allowing you to focus on growing your business.